Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest 2024 version of AnyDesk on your Windows computer. AnyDesk is a powerful remote desktop application that allows you to connect to your PC from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. Now, in the search bar, type AnyDesk and press enter. Click on the first link that appears, which should be the official AnyDesk website. Once you're on the AnyDesk homepage, look for the download button and click on download now to get the latest version of Windows. A prompt will be appear asking you to save the file. Click on save and wait for the download. After the download is complete, go to your download folders or whatever you have saved the file. Now find the AnyDesk installer file. It should be named something like AnyDesk or anydesk.exe. Double click on it to start the installation process. When the setup window appears, click on install desktop AnyDesk on this computer. And that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk on your Windows computer. Now you can start using it to access your PC remotely or provide remote support to others.